Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get stereo mix on Windows. Stereo mix is a powerful feature that lets you record exactly what you hear coming from your computer speakers or headphones. This includes everything from music and video playback to system sounds and application audio. It's incredibly useful for creating tutorials, capturing game audio, or even just recording a quick voice note with background music. While it's often hidden, enabling it is quite simple. To begin, right-click on the speaker icon located in your taskbar, usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen. From the menu that pops up, select Sound Settings. This will open the main sound configuration window. Once there, scroll down to the Input section. You'll want to look for Stereo Mix in the list of input devices. If you don't see it, don't worry, we'll cover that next. If Stereo Mix isn't immediately visible in your input device list, there's a quick fix. Simply right-click on any empty space within that same input device section. A small menu will appear, and you'll see an option labeled Show Disabled Devices. Click this, and Stereo Mix should now appear. Right-click on it, select Enable, and then you can even set it as your default recording device for easy access. With Stereo Mix enabled, you can now select it as your input source in any recording application, like Audacity or OBS Studio. Remember to adjust the recording levels to avoid distortion or overly quiet audio. If you encounter any problems, such as no sound or poor quality, try updating your audio drivers. You can usually find these on your computer manufacturer's website. A quick restart after driver updates often resolves many issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.